Bro, this ain't Rice Krispies. There's no snap, crackle, and pop. It's smooth. It's like butter. But that comes when you use a good conditioner with a good shampoo. Hydration all day, baby. A good one like this one from Olaplex, the #4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. Hair looks super shiny. It's cleansed. This is what a good cleanser does. It cleanses the hair. You can see it. In effect, hair can't thrive in the dirt and the buildup, bro. Doesn't matter what your hair type is. Something like this, Olaplex #5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. Bro, get an even spread on all of your hair. First thing I want you to use is your hands. See what we do when we finger detangle? We're getting out any of the knots. You're not ripping your hair out with a comb first. Use your hand finger detangle. You see how that look like smooth like butter? After we finger detangle, we're gonna use the wide tooth comb. Start at the ends. This is how you're gonna detangle your hair properly. Then you start to work up a little bit more slowly, okay? These guys, they gotta go. Knots. You have a really good conditioner. You see how that knot just came out with my hands. You check out these guys, Olaplex, from their website.